I also have a master's in human performance. Oh my God, I messed it up.
Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron Bates of Ventura County Spine Authority, and today we have a special guest here who's going to teach us some very cool tips on what foods to eat to help you with your back pain. This is Autumn. Autumn is a... I'm going to mess it up every time, so why don't you go ahead and tell me what your accolades are.
I have a bachelor's from University of Arizona in nutrition and dietetics. I also am a certified clinical nutritionist. I also have a master's in nutrition and human performance. I also studied the Mediterranean diet in northern Italy for an entire summer.
Kind of a big deal. We now know that nutrition can play a big part in helping people with inflammation, therefore helping with their back pain. What are some of the best foods that somebody should eat when they're having back pain?
Well, a lot of pain comes from inflammation, so you want to look to decrease your inflammation in general. Foods that are really great at that, first of all, turmeric. Turmeric is huge, especially when you pair turmeric with black pepper. And you only need a little bit of black pepper, but if you have turmeric on its own, it doesn't absorb very well into your system. You need black pepper, and it increases its absorption by 2,000%. Wow. So it's been linked to a lot of different things, like helping cancer, helping arthritis, helping diabetes, like so many different things that are inflammatory. So that's turmeric. And then ginger is along the same, it's in the same family as turmeric, but it also has really great anti-inflammatory effects. And you can have that as ginger tea, which is super easy. If you chop up fresh ginger, and you can make it with some lemon, and it tastes amazing.
Okay, awesome. What are some of the worst foods that you could eat when you're having back pain?
So sugar is one of the most inflammatory foods that you can have, like especially simple sugars that are coming from processed foods. Obviously we know that we should avoid those, but it comes from things that you wouldn't necessarily think of, like health drinks or health foods that look healthy, but they actually are filled with a bunch of simple sugars, like even coconut sugar, it's still sugar. Also, another thing that a lot of people have in their day-to-day life is caffeine. It's a stimulant in your body, and it causes your body to release more cortisol. And so cortisol is actually an inflammatory agent as well as it also makes you just feel anxious, and it increases your blood sugar levels, which, like we said, sugar is associated with inflammation, so it's like a double whammy. So if you drink a lot of coffee, then you might want to look to decreasing your amount, because that'll help not only with decreasing the cortisol levels, but also helping you with your sleep. And sleep, if you aren't getting enough, that can also increase your inflammation. So caffeine's a really big one. It's something that so many people have, and it's an easy fix that you can add into your life to decrease.
Okay, so there you have it. Those are the best and worst foods that you can eat when you have back pain. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, then please comment below with any questions, or share this video along to some friends who you think could really benefit from it.